Hey there, welcome to Rhythm of Flavors. I love making this Lahsuni methi dal for three main reasons. One is the aroma of the methi in oil, the simplicity of the recipe, and of course the taste. Know how to make and enjoy your meal. Just one click on the subscribe button will encourage me to share many more recipes, and please like to show your support. In a pan, take about 2 tablespoons of ghee and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. To it, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Once they crackle, add 6 to 7 pods of garlic sliced. Fry lightly. Then add 1 green chili slit. Continue stirring until we see very slight browning of the garlic. Then add 2 tablespoons of kasuri methi. I have crushed them with my palm beforehand. Instead, you can use fresh methi leaves chopped. Fry for just about a minute. The aroma of the fried kasuri methi is so wonderful. Now time to add boiled tur dal. I have taken about 1 cup of tur dal and had boiled really well until mushy. Note that I have added the water while adding the dal. You can add water later for the consistency as you prefer. Add salt to taste. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now give a good mix. Look at the beautiful color combination. Let it come to a rolling boil. You can serve it with ghee rice or fulkas. Find the small list of ingredients in the description box below as well. Hope you enjoy the taste and the aroma of this quick and easy dal. Have a nice day and thank you for watching.